I'm Korean teacher Hyunok Jang.
And I'm Gerhard. I'm learning Korean. In this first lesson of our 8-part series about the Korean alphabet Hangeul, we are going to learn the 10 basic vowels. Hangul was invented by King Sejong in the 15th century. Hangul is unique. It is the only alphabet designed specifically for a language and the only one whose creator we know. Hangul was created to reduce illiteracy and is therefore easy to learn and very logical. How can we learn Hangul?
Step by step, step by step. Listen to me, repeat and memorize. The first vowel is ah.
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 Ah. When learning a foreign language, you have to actively speak. Join in with
Ah.
ah.
Open your mouth wide. Ah.
Ah. When we write from top to bottom, from left to right. The order of the strokes is very important. From top to bottom, from left to right.
So 1, 2, 1, 2. Ah. 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 And the next vowel? Ya.
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 Join in.
Ya.
Ya.
From to bottom, from left to right. From left, right. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ya.
Ya.
Ya. Ya.
This
Yeah.
vowel is called a double vowel or also diphthong. With a double vowel, two vowels are pronounced in quick succession. In this case, it's an A after an
I.
E. Ya.
A. Ya.
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 Gerhard,
Yes.
read this.
A. Ya.
A. Ya. A. Ya. Excellent. That's all. All.
O. O can be tricky because it's romanized as E, O. But this combination of letters does not exist with a similar sound in English. The sound of O falls between the English short E, as in bad, and short O, as in hot. But it's not either of these sounds, it occupies a space in between. To understand how to pronounce O, think about the shape of your mouth.
All.
O. When you pronounce the short E in English, your mouth is somewhat open and relaxed. E, E. When you pronounce the short O, your lips are round, slightly round, and your mouth opens differently. Now to approach the Korean O, start with the mouth position for E, E, then transition towards O, O, but without fully rounding the lips as much as you would with the English O. E, O, O,
All.
O.
From left to right, from top to bottom.
O.
All. 1, 2. All. All.
O.
All. All.
O. The next vowel is
Can you guess?
Ya.
Yaw.
Ya.
Yaw. From left to right, from left to right, from top to bottom. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yaw.
Ya.
Yaw. Yaw. Yaw.
So ya follows the same principle as ya.
네.
Ya.
So 이, 어, 이어여, 여.
Ya.
여. Let's repeat. 아,
A.
야,
Ya.
어,
O.
여.
Ya.
아, 야, 어, 여.
A. ya, o, ya. O,
어,
ya,
야,
yo,
여,
a,
아. This is 오,
o,
오.
o. This is our second o sound. When you say o, your lips are round. But when you say o, your lips are pursed, almost as if you want to kiss someone. O, o.
오, 어.
The vowel is o, o. Make your mouth small and round. O,
오.
o. The order of the stroke.
From top to bottom, from left to right. 1, 2, 1, 2. 오, 오, 오,
O,
오.
o. O, o.
어,
O,
오,
o.
어, 오.
Can you guess this one?
요,
Yo.
요,
Listen and repeat. Yo,
요,
yo.
요. From top to bottom, from top to bottom, from left to right. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 요, 요, 요. 오, 요, 오,
O,
요.
yo.
The next vowel is
U,
우,
u.
우.
Make your mouth small and round, but the mouth must be upwards. U,
우.
u. So that's u, u.
From left to right, from top to bottom. 1, 2. 1, 2. 우,
U,
우, 우, 우. So, 우,
u,
우. This is 우.
u. Very similar mouth position, right?
Yeah.
But u is
This
upwards.
upwards. So, this is a 우,
U,
우,
u,
우,
u.
우.
Also pursed lips, but upwards. Yes. Can you guess the next vowel without even seeing it? I guess you can.
네. 유,
You,
유.
you.
From left to right, from top to bottom, from top to bottom. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 유, 유, 유,
You,
유,
you. So, u,
유,
you.
우, 유. 오,
U,
오,
u,
요,
yo,
우,
u,
유.
you.
Gerhard, read it.
U, u, yo, you. O, yo, u, you.
유. Excellent. Perfect.
Thank you.
으,
Uh,
으.
Open your mouth a little, but keep your teeth closed.
으,
Is unique. It doesn't exist in English, but you will hear it a lot in Korean because every word in Korean needs a vowel. And when words from foreign languages don't end in a vowel, Koreans like to add More on this when we learn how syllables are put together in lesson number 3. How is pronounced? The tongue position when pronouncing is the same as for u, but the mouth is wide. The mouth is not open, just wide.
으,
U. Imagine you're pronouncing u but you have to bring your lower teeth to your upper lips and open your mouth wide. So, this is an exaggeration, but when learning pronunciation, we can exaggerate. Also, is tricky to pronounce on its own, but it's less tricky when you use it in a word. So don't worry for now. Once you finish learning the Korean alphabet and move on to our Korean for Beginners series, you will get the hang of it in no time. Don't worry.
Be happy. So left to right.
One more vowel.
Yeah, the last one.
Last basic vowel.
E.
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 This is E. The mouth and teeth must both be slightly open. E.
E.
And we write again
From top to bottom.
To bottom. Yes.
E.
E.
E. E. E. It looks like English I.
Like English
right?
I.
Yeah.
Yes. We have heard about the basic vowel E when we learned our first diphthongs or double vowels. Now, what's a diphthong again? A sound formed by the combination of two vowels. Like, for example,
E plus O. Yeah, yo.
yo.
Yo. E plus U.
U.
You.
You. So now we know all the 10 basic vowels. Let's repeat.
Let's repeat.
Speak along.
A.
Ya.
Ya.
O.
Ya.
Ya.
U.
Yo.
U.
You.
You. I.
I.
A. Ya. O. Yo. Yo. You. I.
And ya, yo, you are double vowels, diphthongs. They consist of two vowels together with
I.
It's E and A.
Ya.
Ya. O, I, O,
Yo.
yo.
I. U. Yo.
Yo.
I. U. You.
You. In lesson number 6, we will learn the rest of the Korean double vowels or diphthongs. Lesson number 6 will be all about double vowels. And in that lesson, we will better understand also what a double vowel is, what counts as a double vowel, and why we count these, even if they're diphthongs, why we count these sounds to basic vowels. So that's the 10 basic vowels. That's all the basic vowels there are.
Let's practice more. Speak along. Ya. Ya. 으. 으. 어. 어. 아. 아. 요. 요. 우. 우. 여. 여. 유. 유. 이. 이. 오. 오. 야. 야. 으. 으. 어. 어, 아, 아, 요, 요, 우, 우, 여, 여, 유, 유, 이, 이, 오, 오.
Today we have learned the 10 basic vowels. In lesson number 2, we will learn the basic consonants. In total, there are 8 steps, 8 lessons to learning the Korean alphabet with us. If you practice for about half an hour a day, we think that you can read and write almost everything in Korean in about 2 weeks. So keep practicing and see you in the next lesson.
Bye.
Bye bye.